Hi guys, welcome to ActiveMomsNetwork.com. 15 healthy tips for picky eaters. Is it tough to feed picky eaters? Is it difficult to handle them? Picky eating is normal for the toddler. It is one of the important stage where the toddler develops food zero preference. Are there any tips for picky eater to eat? Let's look on some of the tips for picky eater, shall we? Be creative with recipe. Presentation matter a lot as the texture and appearance of food will make the picky eater to pick the food. Do also present the food in a way that is fun and creative. Be a food role model for your child. Your habit of healthy eating help the children to observe the eating nutritious foods and help them gain the confidence to try them. Children learns for imitating or observing by watching the eating behavior of people around them. Start with small test. Do start feeding the picky eater by starting with small food, which would be much better than the bigger and heavy meals. Slowly increase the food quantity. Reward the child right way. Reward your child in the right way is one of the super way to fix a picky eater's toddler. Use non-food rewards helps to encourage food acceptance in a better and positive way. Cut out distraction during meal. Keep the kids away from TV, smartphone, playing games and other while eating. Create an environment for the children which is much of the distraction-free. Rule out food intolerance. Check with your child with respect to any food that makes them feel nauseated, bloated or sick. Understand what food makes them allergy and intolerance. Make mealtime fun. Creating a fun and pressure-free environment makes the child to eat more. This helps to create an interest in kids to eat food. Have patience with your picky eater. Don't ever pressure your child for eating food, as it can increase the risk of pickiness and prone the child to eat less. Having patience with your picky eater is one of the biggest ways to get the picky eater to eat. Get your kids involved in meal planning and cooking. It helps in developing the keen interest in eating the fruits and vegetables, as they are involved in the cooking process. Keep exploring new foods. Be creative and explore with new foods as the picky eater loves to try new foods with course of time. You can serve them a small portion of new food with a large portion of the food that already they like it. Use of mindful eating habits. Give them a chance of exploring how hungry they are and what they need for. Encourage eating with friends. The children with their friends tends to enjoy the food when you try to add in a few new foods, along with foods that's the child enjoy. They tends to eat more than normal children. Cut back on unhealthy snacking. If you allow the children to eat full day with snacks, then the child may be full with that. This will incline the child to eat less meals. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to keep yourself updated.